Hello, Port Charlotte. Hello, Sarasota. Hello, Nokomis. Hello, Englewood. Did I say Northport, Punta Gorda, Rotonda West, Bradenton. I'm Martin, project manager with Providential Roofing, and I'm here with 2 tips for this post-Hurricane Ian insurance claim stuff. This is all actual advice. I'm not saying anything to try and get you to sign with us or anything. We do have 100% 5-star reviews, so we are slammed right now, but that doesn't mean I don't want your business either. But this is just the things I've come in contact with all these customers that need education most about. The first of these 2 best tips: number 1, go local. I'm not saying that because we're local, but when you have a warranty on a roof and the company from out of town is gone chasing a hailstorm in Denver in 3 months, or supplies shored up and they're having a hard time getting it because they're not from around here and they don't want to sit here and wait for insurance to come around, you're going to want someone who's not going to leave you hanging on either your contract or not be able to get the materials, or just up and vanish and you're stuck in a contract not knowing what to do. So go local. They're going to honor your warranty longer. We have a 5-year warranty on the labor alone, not even getting into the actual parts, limited warranty, lifetime on parts and stuff like that. So 1, go local, because they're going to be around if anything comes up, and they're not going to leave in the middle of waiting on your job to get done and just leave you hanging where you can't find them. Number 2, when your insurance company asks for an estimate, they're trying to get you to shop for them and get you the lowest cost roof. That doesn't mean it's as good of a roof. It means you're doing their work, saving them money, and it's not usually even required. They're just trying to get you a cheaper roof. We only do roofs in a premium way, so we recommend let us just do it for whatever the insurance says they're going to do, and we'll work on the price with them. That way you don't have to worry about, are you getting an inferior roof? Is the materials going to be as good as the other guy? We only do premium jobs. We are not the cheapest, so it benefits me to say, don't price shop. But at the end of the day, they're just looking to give you a cheaper roof, and you don't have to. We'll do the roof for whatever insurance says they're going to pay, and your estimate is just your deductible. That's all you got to pay for it. So if they ask you for an estimate, tell them to do their own job. I mean, you pay them enough money on your premiums. Let them do the work. You got to get back to working, pay those premiums. You got to get back to life. So don't let them scare you into doing that stuff. We do all of our roofs right now for insurers under contingency. So when you sign with us, we're already getting started, regardless of what the cost of the roof is, because we're just going to do it for whatever we negotiate with the insurance on your behalf. We'll help with the claim and everything like that. So sign with us. We'll do it on contingency, saying you only pay your deductible and nothing else, and you're not on the hook for nothing. But make sure that if they're trying to get you a lower estimate, they're not just trying to get you a cheaper roof. You don't want a cheaper roof. You want a roof that's going to last for you or for your family or for the next person you sell it to. So go with us. We'll bring everything up to code. We have 100% 5-star reviews. But those 2 tips: don't shop estimates for them, and go local so they can honor the warranty and won't leave in the middle of doing your job. That's just the 2 most common things I've seen out here lately when it comes to getting people's roofs on after this Hurricane Ian. All right, thank you. Any questions, call me. I'm happy to help you with your roof, project manager of Providential Roofing. And you just call me. I'll give you a call back within the hour, even if I'm up on a roof. Thank you.